A quick little reminder, markets will be closing a little bit earlier today in observance to Independence Day tomorrow. And on top of that, the stock market will be closed tomorrow in observance to Independence Day. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. In today's live trading session with my LPP team, I ended up taking a short on Hood. I entered this short, unfortunately, a little bit on the later side of things because although it looked like it was kind of bearish during this pre-market session with lower highs and lower lows, markets have been so irrational. And again, especially Robinhood, based off of its recent performance, it's been pushing up for any reason and every reason, right? So because of that, I didn't want to just jump and assume that when it pushed up pre-market that it was going to get rejected as it has been the entire pre-market session, because it would suck to open up a short position and then it just pops off again for no reason. So I stayed patient. It sold off. I missed out on that early entry. It sold off. It came back to retest and then started to enter on my small short position on Hood and then added more to it when direction became favorable. As of right now, I'm a little bit, I've made a little bit over $4,000. I'm at 4,700 as you can see. My position is still open, so it's not locked in, but I just wanted to do my part in keeping you guys up to date. I believe Robinhood is incredibly overvalued and overhyped up. In the past, or really less than 3 months, it's gone from $28 to highs of 100. And based off of most recent news, as it was announced yesterday, it announced this like tokenization of like private companies such as SpaceX and OpenAI, and both companies, Elon even responded saying, this is fake equity. You don't actually own any of the companies. And when it comes down to OpenAI, they made it very clear that they are not partnered nor affiliated nor have given any approval to Robinhood to offer this synthetic ownership. So again, if you want to buy into these tokens, be my guest. But in my opinion, it's just another gimmick, just like NFTs were, to try to milk this like hybrid approach of crypto, but also owning shares and value of a company that you don't actually own. It's complete BS. So because of that, I'm okay with taking a small short position on Robinhood. I don't plan to carry this position over the weekend. I do plan to close it out, but because it was so overbought, I saw it to be as an opportunity to make money on the retracement as this news begins to sink in. The thing that I also want to make you aware of is obviously markets are pushing to new all-time highs, and I'm genuinely quite surprised because, well, let me explain to you why the markets are pushing. The unemployment rate came out, right? And we came in at 4.1% when the expectation was 4.3%. So unemployment actually did come out lower than what was expected. You might be like, Ricky, why are you surprised? That's good news. That's good news for unemployment. That's bad news for Trump and people who want rate cuts. Because with unemployment being low, data then therefore does not support rate cuts, because then again, businesses aren't in need of lower rates if unemployment is already incredibly low. If unemployment was beginning to go up and we're beginning to see a slowdown, then the Federal Reserve might feel more pressure based off of economic data to support a rate cut. I'm just explaining to you on why that right now good news can be viewed as bad news, but not for the market, right? Markets are finding every reason to continue to pump. We'll see how things continue to develop. But as soon as this news came out, the 10-year Treasury just began to skyrocket. Breaking, the 10-year Treasury note surges to 4.36% after June job reports crushes expectation. Again, going from 4.3% expectation to 4.1%, the bond market thinks that Powell has even more of a reason not to cut rates. So again, not just my opinion, this is how markets feel, right? This is about how the 10-year Treasury is reacting. And one of the last things that I also want to keep you up to date is the big, beautiful bill right now. This is currently being presented and voted on with the House of Representatives. With that being said, there are enough Republicans that seem to not be supporting this bill that it might not actually pass. Right now, we have 204 yays and 216 nays. So you guys let me know down in the comment section, do you think passing this big, beautiful bill that is supposed to add $5 trillion to our current deficit of $37 trillion, if you think that is a step in the right direction? Let me know down below. But again, like I said, my only main focus for the day is Hood. Now, this is, again, just an opinion. Please do not copy my short. I'm just here to keep you guys up to date with what it is that I'm doing. This is my opinion, right? I don't know if we're going to run out of time, but NASDAQ market is incredibly overbought and it's super bullish right now. So technically it's giving a lot of the market, the environment to hold up well. If NASDAQ begins to sell off into the early close as people begin to de-risk, I would love to see how the rest of the market then reacts. I think that it can contribute and fuel more selling pressure in stocks like Hood and stocks like Tesla that right now there's a lot of uncertainty behind them. So very excited to follow up. But again, it's just an assumption. It's just an opinion. Please do not think that it has to happen. So I love sharing ideas with you guys. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Again, I trade live every single morning with our LPP team. They get to see all of my good trades, all of my bad trades. If you're a complete beginner and you learn best by watching other people do, I would encourage you to feel free to check it out. Second link in the description down below will get you a huge discount to be able to watch me trade live every day. It breaks down to less than $1.35 a day whenever it is that you are ready to join. It is a one-time payment, lifetime access, and if you want access to it right now, second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time like always. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.